Guys, welcome to Oliveboard's YT channel. So let's look for the English practice question, which is your question of the day. It's a connector question. Pause the video and try the question. Now here two sentences are given and five words. Which connector word will connect these two without changing the meaning and giving us the intended meaning? So you have to correct it. Of course, connect these two sentences, one and two, with the correct word. Now, first, you have to judge the relationship between these two sentences. With a donated facial transplant, the patient's face would look closer to a normal face. This will be so till the blood flow remains healthy. So, till there is a condition given. The second statement is a condition given to the first statement, right? Now, we are not giving any example, so cancel option B. We are not giving a very generic statement, so generally speaking is cancelled. In other words, when we are explaining something, in a different way, we use this in other words. So this is also cancelled. There's no explanation. Traditionally, we use to focus on something to place emphasis, like usually this happens, right? When we say usually this happens, we use traditionally. Here we are giving plain and simple condition. So it is like as long as, which means provided that if this condition is fulfilled, this will happen. Okay, so your correct connector word here will be A, as long as. How will you connect this? With a donated facial transplant, the patient's face would look closer to a normal face as long as, and after this you will just use this part, the blood flow remains healthy. As long as the blood flow remains healthy, this is how you are giving the condition, right? So the others are cancelled out. Okay, and we are using a word for condition, which is only one word given in the options. Option A will be a correct choice. Hope you were able to do this correctly. Still any queries, do mention in the comments below. Thank you and stay tuned with Oliveboard.